Now can you hear that? That's the sound of the nature in the autumn. And today I will drive this Aston Martin Vantage 2025 in podium green. And what a stunning car this is.
And I definitely couldn't pick a better surrounding than this for the autumn. I mean, look at this car. It is just so good in the surrounding. I already saw some leaves falling onto the car, so you can really see autumn is going on right now.
Aston Martin recently reworked the Vantage with 510 horsepower, and now you have this. This is the brand new Vantage with 665 horsepower. But let's first check out the shape of the car, because it is so beautiful.
Let's start at the front of the car, which is probably the best thing. Look at that 177 style grille. Carbon everywhere on the side of the car. The mirrors are from carbon, and also the roof is made of carbon. And look at the back of those wheel arches. So incredibly wide. I love it so much. And when we go to the back of the car, we have a quadruple exhaust. And this looks so good in my opinion. Let's see if we can still show those lights on the back of the car. So incredibly beautiful, that shape. And here we have also a rear bumper finished in carbon. This car isn't really a Grand Tourer anymore. It is now more a sort of supercar, a sports car, and it really does have some power right now. We have a 4-liter V8 twin turbo from AMG underneath here, powering 665 horsepower with 800 newton meters of torque on the rear wheel. So as I already said, this thing is really a dangerous monster right now, but still very gorgeous and fun to drive. Before we drive, I want to do a huge shout out to Aston Martin Hilversum for giving me this car. The car is also listed for sale over there, also for expert price. So if you're interested, definitely take a look in the description. I also almost forgot to mention those mirrors. Look at those seamless mirrors, which I really love. No fake edges or anything, just a seamless mirror. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Look at those swan doors, by the way. Lovely design. We now also got the shifting pedals on the steering wheel. Before this it was on the steering column, so it doesn't turn around, but now it does.
But I don't want to wait any longer. The autumn is very beautiful right now. I'm at a beautiful location, so I would say let's get in the car and go for a drive in this brand new Aston Martin Vantage. I've been a while right now here, so I hope the battery isn't dead. Let's find out the truth. Okay, nice. Oh, by the way, that is the Bauer and Walking set of 13,000 euros, which is quite an expensive option on this car. So let's turn the dial of the engine, start stop, and put it in Sport Plus. They actually warned me for this driving mode, manual by the way, because it can be quite dangerous, especially because it is 10 Celsius degrees right now. Look at those kids, by the way. Let's wave to them. Stands out so much. Also those people over here. Look at everyone watching. What a road presence this car is. It's actually quite busy on a Saturday over here, but look at those autumn vibes. Wow, this is a beautiful spot. Sport exhaust already goes open when you put it in Sport Plus. Also those shifting pedals have a really good clicky sound and feeling. Oh, this really is a cool autumn vibe video. I was actually planning to make this video with my own car, but then I thought, how cool would it be to borrow an Aston Martin, and especially this brand new Vantage. Oh, that is so torquey. Pops coming out of the exhaust, by the way. Didn't hear that before. It drives so good, so smooth. Shift back a bit. Some pops and bangs coming out of the exhaust. So it actually might sound strange, and I don't know if I may say this, but will be a cool experience to drive an AMG GT. And I think this car is really good comparable to that car, also because of that long front end, which I can see by the way, but not very good. Raised my seat already a little bit so that I could see it a little bit better. But this car is really long and it's giving me AMG GT vibes. But I love the shape on a car. So let's test out full throttle in Sport Plus. It really is too quick. I got it in the red line by accident. And it was finding traction indeed. It is a bit playful but not scary because it is very easy to counter when that happens. But man, that torque, 800 Newton meters. Now that is insane. I also forgot one really annoying thing that cars nowadays have. I think it is above 2024 model year. You need to put off all those warnings. So I need to go to the car, then we need to go to help, and we need to turn off lane assist, speed warning, and all those kind of things. Traffic side assistant off, lane keep assist off, lane departure, which is the warning when you drive above the speed limit, which I obviously didn't. I'm innocent. Oh, that roar of that V8 sounds so good. And the sun is out. We've had like grey weather the whole week, so this is literally perfect for me. That is actually quite sketchy. It wants to go so quick. The car is asking for it. It really wants to be driven that way, very rough. But as I already said, you can also put it in individual, I believe it is. Yes, wet mode, now it is in wet mode. And still the exhaust is a bit loud. The sport exhaust now closes, but I can still put it on manually. So listen to this. Now it is on and you can really hear that difference. I don't know what the Tesla is doing. What is he thinking? Put it back in Sport Plus. Also, the suspension isn't really that stiff. I can, oh, it is already in stiff mode right now. I must say it is not that bad. Which sounds strange, I know. So let's see if we can quickly turn around over here. Yes, we can. Don't want to risk it. But the turning radius is good, actually. Oh, I think that guy will take some pictures, so yeah, let's do it. I will get out for him. I saw that guy turning around, so it will be a crime to drive away. Alright, so let's continue on our journey and let's find those beautiful Arnhem things. Also from third gear, it also torque steers a little bit. The steering wheel is really doing this. Not losing traction, but you can really feel the torque through the steering wheel. Let's try it again, see what it does. Wow, that is actually so cool. You know you're driving something special and something really powerful. And I think that's actually quite cool. That is loud. Those pops and bangs aren't joking. Extremely quick. Oh wow, I really didn't expect this, really. Steers so easily through the corners. Can't get my smile away. Like it's coming from the right exhaust pipe, that pop. Only from the right, but I don't know, maybe I'm deaf after driving this car. That is insane. And take it easy now. Oh, I'm making a kid very happy, I think. Let's give it some revs. Let's turn around real quick. I love those mirrors. I already said it, I know, but those seamless mirrors are so beautiful and useful. loud pop when it revs up to 7,000 RPM is so strange. I mean, listen to this. A huge pop coming out of the exhaust of the car. I love this place. Look at those trees. This car literally blew my mind. What a thing. The looks, the shape, it's just so extremely beautiful. Let's see if we can go somewhere for a coffee in this autumn vibe. I think it really fits in today's video. And also, if you still haven't subscribed, please don't wait any longer and let me know what you think of these kind of videos. And also don't forget to like. I think you know the drill. We need to go in here again. I'm going to make these people very happy. But I really do want to get a coffee. I used to do that too. And now I'm driving in something like this. I'm actually really used to the car already. In the first second I got in the car, I was like, oh wow, it's big, it has a big front end, can't see anything. But I really got used to it already. Also a really thick steering wheel, which I really love in my opinion, feels really good in my hands. Let's finish off the video on a place where I can sit on a bench, for example, and just enjoy the car, because those angles and those shapes are really adorable. Let's put it back where I came from. What a car. Absolutely stunning. Would love to own one. Definitely.